we will answer this one. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to simplify first yung mga division and multiplication, and then tsaka tayo mag-add at tsaka mag-subtract. Okay, first kopyahin natin yung 2, then plus 3, then close natin yan. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, plus 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, then divide by 4, then minus 20. So 2 plus 3, close natin. So 3 plus, so 40 divided by 4 is 10, minus 20. So 2 plus 3, then 3 plus 10 is 13, minus 20. So 2 plus, this is 39, minus 20. So 2 plus 39 is 41, minus 20. So that is equal to 21. So choices natin, letter B is the correct answer.